Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Tom's Garage Fix, and in this episode we are going to be talking about the most efficient way that you can get the most amount of your cash out of your car. Let's begin with the exterior. Before you do anything online, you need to assess the damage, or if you have any damage to your car. Do you have a dent? Do you have any scratches? You need to know the condition of your car before you search online. Why don't we start with the most common website that we can check, and that is Kelley Blue Book. If you don't know what this is, then it is a great tool for checking the used private and used dealership prices of your car. You simply put in the car's information, and voila, you're done. You will get a private party price and a dealer price and a trade-in price. You should decide at this point if you're going to sell the car privately or sell your car to a dealership for a very low price if you don't want to wait. Once you've decided on the selling aspect of this, then you'll need to give your car a good wash and a clean inside. You want people to see that you've looked after your car and that you've taken care of it, right? A dirty car indicates that there could be something hiding underneath layers and layers of dirt, and buyers will be put off by that. You don't want to lose out on all that cash, do you? The next step involves taking some nice pictures of your car. Maybe take it to a scenic spot, maybe take pictures in your driveway. It's completely up to you. If you don't fancy taking pictures of your own car, then you can always hire somebody to take pictures for you. Depending on where you're located in the country, you can find people for a small fee who will take professional photos of your car. If you're located in the Wenatchee City of Washington and you need your pictures of your car taken, contact Tom at Through the Glass Pictures for a booking. You've come this far, right? Great. Now it's time to figure out where you're going to list your car. Are you going to list it on Craigslist, Cars for Sale, Auto Trader, Cars.com? You need to figure out where and when you're going to sell it. Even if you're not going to sell it on a site, you could always park it somewhere with the permission from the owner and the landowners and wait for somebody to contact you. The downside to this is that you've just wasted time watching up until this point, because your car will most likely get filthy again outside when you keep it on a public road. Once you've figured out the site you're going to list it on, you just need to sit back and wait. You may get offers lower than your initial asking price, and you need to be prepared to negotiate with said person on the price. Remember to be a nice person and list everything wrong with the car. You don't want somebody to do this to you when you're buying a used car, would you? Congratulations, somebody's decided to buy your car. Now you just need to figure out to exchange the title. If you don't know what the title of the car is, then you can either look it up on the DMV or you can look it up on Google. This is where the owner of the vehicle will sign over the car to the person once you've received payment. If they are giving you cash, then make sure that the cash is real. If they are giving you a check, then take the person to the bank with you and deposit the check to make sure it won't bounce or it's fake. Always get the person to take them to their bank, because then you can get the money out straight away. You've sold your car, and say goodbye to your pride and joy. I hope you all enjoyed the video on how to prepare your car for sale. If you found this video helpful, then let me know in the comment section below. Consider subscribing to my channel. You may find some of my other videos entertaining as well. If you have any great tips and tricks about how to sell your car online, leave them in the comments section below. Anyways, be sure to hit that subscribe button and like button if you enjoyed the video. I'll see you all next time.